Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Grok AI app. Whether you are switching accounts or just want to keep things secure, logging out is super simple. So let's get right into it. Start by opening the Grok AI app on your device. Make sure you are already logged in. So now tap on your profile icon or the settings menu, usually found at the top left corner of the screen, and tap on your email address or your name at the bottom. Now scroll down until you see the logout option and tap on it. A confirmation message might pop up asking if you're sure. Just tap yes or confirm. In my case, it didn't. And yes, that's it. You have successfully logged out of the Grok AI app. It was indeed super easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any queries or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.